Hey guys, so I'm at Walmart and I'm looking at free assembly for women, and they have so many cute outfits here, you guys. And a lot of this summer stuff is on clearance, you guys. Lots of clearances, you guys. Lots of clearances. Come to Walmart and clean up on some clearance summer clothes. Also some fall clothes as well at Walmart, you guys. Free assembly for women at Walmart, y'all. Assembly. This is so cute. This is such a cute line for women at Walmart, you guys. These are so cute. This must be the popular one because there's only 3 left. Look at that. It's cute. And it has the pockets too, you guys. Look how cute. Oh, kerosene, a matching top to go with it. How cute is that, you guys? Look at that. That is too cute. Look at the cute tops. You guys, so cute. And it's on clearance, you guys, $9. How cute is that? Very cute with the shorts. That is so cute. Okay. These are on clearance too, you guys. $11. Very cute. These are on clearance for $11. They're cute. This would be cute with this. That's really cute. Okay, free assembly, y'all. This is so cute. Look at this dress, y'all. This is so cute. Look at this. $30. $30, you guys. So cute, you guys. This is $22, you guys. That is so cute. Like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video with everyone you know. God bless, and I'll see you guys in another video.